Need $1,500 fast for an urgent bill or business expense? Don't let traditional banks slow you down. Traditional loan processes can take weeks. Between endless paperwork and slow approvals, the wait is often too long. And selling your hard-earned crypto just to cover an emergency, that's a compromise you shouldn't have to make. Meet OmniLender. We're here to provide a fast, flexible, and modern way to access the funds you need right now. With OmniLender, eligible users can apply online in minutes and explore loan options tailored to their situation. Whether it's for a personal emergency, a business cash shortage, or even education expenses, we've got you covered. Our crypto-backed loan options allow you to borrow against your digital assets without ever having to sell them. The process is simple. Apply in minutes and get fast approval for eligible borrowers. No hidden fee confusion. Enjoy flexible repayment terms designed to work with your lifestyle and financial goals. This means you can access the cash you need today while keeping your crypto for the future. At OmniLender, we focus on transparency and secure processes. We believe in responsible borrowing. Your assets are managed with the highest security standards, so you can borrow with peace of mind. Remember, terms may vary based on eligibility, so we encourage you to explore your options carefully. Don't let financial hurdles hold you back. Join the thousands of users choosing a smarter way to access funds. Visit OmniLender.org today and discover how easy crypto-backed lending can be with OmniLender. OmniLender, empowering your everyday needs with the power of crypto. Visit us today